A lot. If you took a poll of executives and hiring managers in any industry right now, the number one risk they face is attracting and retaining the right talent. The life sciences industry is no different. These issues have been amplified by one of the most transformative periods in the workforce since the industrial era. Competition is fierce and employers are fighting for the same pool of talent. That's because it's a candidate-driven market and candidates are harder to reach and more difficult to keep engaged than ever before. They want to be in the driver's seat. So we at BioBuzz are building a blockchain-based next-generation talent marketplace, pulling together an existing ecosystem to de-risk hires and equitably expand the life sciences workforce.
Next slide. So where are we at now? We've just gotten through what's likely to be the first wave of the Great Resignation. A Pew Research studies stated that 53% of American adults in the workforce left or changed jobs just in 2022. And the trend amongst our clients and life science employers that we've talked to is record attrition rates, an increase in time to fill, and that there's not enough talent to meet their hiring goals, especially for entry-level workers. The industry is growing so much faster than the pool of talent can keep up with. What's more, very little to nothing has changed in how companies in our space are hiring. Companies are still relying on traditional methods like in-house talent acquisition, third-party staffing agencies, job boards, and LinkedIn. We need to find ways to incentivize an up-and-coming generation of workers and career transitioners to empower them to take control of their career. Next slide. So what's the problem, right? Current solutions will not increase a diverse pipeline, make it easier for employers to recruit, and match and hire the right talent. For employers, current recruiting and hiring models make it difficult to access new talent and diverse talent to the field. A lot of people don't know about the field. They're unable to attract the right talent to their company specifically, and they're not able to evaluate candidates based on validated skills or the right transferable skills or true potential. Employers are just spending way too much time on unvalidated talent that may not even be interested or a right fit in biotech, since the current system depends on inexperienced recruiters who are cold calling candidates. For candidates, the problems are there's a lack of access or awareness to jobs within life sciences and biotech, which has historically been more inaccessible to more diverse populations. The industry has built a moat and we need to build more bridges. Candidates lack awareness or pre-industry training at even a basic level to build the pipeline. Candidates currently have no way to showcase hard and transferable skills and to show the employer their potential fit. Candidates still have to rely on a resume and use reference checks as their only tools to get a job. Quite frankly, the systems are old, inefficient, and broken. Think about how much waste there is in our ecosystem. Wasted time, wasted money, wasted potential. And we think there's a better way.
So that's why we've reverse engineered all of these problems into a two-sided marketplace built on a platform with a learning management system, validated soft and professional skills, and psychometric assessments. We're attracting and engaging new, diverse pools of talent for careers in biotech. Our platform helps incentivize participation in learning and provides employers with better data to improve matching, as well as de-risking hires by utilizing a 360 true fit profile. We're creating a federated layer, giving candidates control of their data and creating a more equitable, skills-based selection process for people growing their career. And that's great, but what's the impact? Well, companies are going to get access to diverse talent more easily. More candidates get access to rewarding careers, and we reduce waste, the immense waste across the hiring ecosystem. So by creating this automated process and verifying these skills on chains, value is created more cost effectively. This allows us to monetize this platform in three key ways. First, a subscription access for employers. They get an unbiased view of candidates, the ability to start a conversation, and a frictionless experience that connects them to candidates on a level playing field. But second, we provide opportunities for employers to tell their story and create a great experience for job seekers with their brand digitally. This is achieved through targeted job advertisements that will reach candidates that have the skills they need with absolute certainty. Last, we're automating tasks and front-loading the whole verification process to allow employers to pay placement fees at a massive cost reduction on candidates hired through our marketplace. We place candidates at scale, employers share in those benefits that this more efficient system creates.
So what does the market look like, right? What's the opportunity for us? Well, with the US's renewed focus on public health after the waves of COVID-19, there's more visibility than ever on the sector, more investors willing to support and partner, more companies starting every day, and more candidates looking to enter the market. And as we're launching right here in Maryland, the great thing about Maryland is that 80% of biotech companies are within a 2-hour flight. In life sciences, the total staffing market is 2.3 billion in the US. We're looking to specifically target lab technicians and manufacturing staffing, which makes up about 575 million of that. We plan to launch in 2003. We look to capture 6% in the next 3 years, grossing us about 40 million by 2025. Keep in mind that many of these companies are already our customers. We're just transitioning them into this model. And like with all things, we do have competition. Outside of traditional staffing and recruiting, there are several early stage companies that are looking to create marketplaces. There are the LinkedIns of the world and the LinkedIn 2.0s of the world. There are companies that are solving the problem from the lens of on-demand staffing and project management. Many of these solutions focus on high-skilled candidates, but no one is addressing the entry-level candidate. We believe that the future is decentralized professional communities and not LinkedIn, which is a blue ocean market, and that's using the one-size-fits-all mentality. We're focusing on entry-level talent in biotech and life sciences, and this is all powered by our BioBuzz community.
That's the most exciting part. The community ecosystems are superpower. Interorganizational human relationships are important precursors to many blockchain initiatives. Basically, in other words, ecosystems matter. So we have an existing community with over 15,000 subscribers and job seekers, many of which are experts that we currently leverage to provide educational content and trainings. We have connections to over 100 life sciences employers. We provide them with visibility and engagement. We have over 40 existing clients. Last year, we did 1.6 million in total revenue, and this year we're projecting 2.5 million. We're a cash flow positive business. We also have education partners. We're already working with a dozen universities and industry training organizations, providing skills development and training to see the next generation of talent. We've built long-standing relationships with this ecosystem because in a blockchain world, the greatest advocates for our success will be the people we connect using this technology.
So let's talk about the team, right? I believe, and I know the rest of us believe, that we have the talent and expertise to solve this problem. We have expertise in recruiting, building products, growing communities, and running successful businesses. We are building this solution as a direct response to the overall market, our current clients, and the community at large. We're currently funded by our company. As we continue to grow, we're looking to grow our network, add key people to our advisory team, and trying to position ourselves for seed funding in the next 6 months. But all in all, community is the thread that ties our team together, and blockchain is the technology we'll use to connect and empower our entire ecosystem. My name is Ezekiel Kelly, and Jake is my partner in crime. We're just the launch team heading out this spinoff of this project. Chris Frew is our CEO and Adam is our head of BD. We make up the key team. Between our members and our ecosystem, we have the makings of a product with a market fit at a time when the industry we serve desperately needs it. Our partners and advocates in the life sciences community provide the appropriate support to help us succeed. We'd like to thank all the members, University of Maryland Blockchain Accelerator, Mentor. The Accelerator has positioned us for a more successful launch. Join us in changing hiring using Web3. Thank you.